Analyze the chemical equation and the species involved. Reactant side, Cr2O7 to the power 2, is orange. Product side, Cro4 to the power 2, is yellow, and H3O to the power plus represents the hydronium ions responsible for the acidity of the solution. Identify the chemical effect of adding a strong base. NaOH sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is a strong base that dissociates completely in water to produce hydroxide ions, OH to the power negative. Hydroxide ions react in a highly favorable neutralization reaction with hydronium ions to form water. OH to the power negative plus H3O to the power plus gives 2H2O consequently. Adding in AOH consumes the H3O to the power plus ions, dramatically lowering their concentration in the solution. Apply Le Chatelier's principle. Le Chatelier's principle states that when a system at equilibrium is subjected to a stress, such as the removal of a reactant or product, the equilibrium will shift in the direction that counteracts the stress. Since a product of the reaction, H3O to the power plus, is being removed, the system will shift to the right toward the products to replace the consumed hydronium ions. Determine the final color change. Shifting the equilibrium to the right increases the concentration of the yellow Cro4 to the power 2 ions while decreasing the concentration of the orange Cr2O7 to the power 2 ions. Thus, the mixture will become more yellow, making option C the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. The mixture will become more yellow because OH- will shift the equilibrium toward products.